Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to grow on Instagram to get more likes and reaches on your post. You need to select your photos from gallery to upload it on your Instagram account. Once you have selected, use trending musics on your post. The reason to use trending music is there are higher chances of getting more and more views and likes on your post. Now, time to write a good caption and hashtags on your post. Many people even don't know how to write a caption. I will suggest to use AI softwares like ChatGPT or Meta AI in this. You can easily create a captions and hashtags related to your post. Here the captions and hashtags provided by the ChatGPT. Once captions and hashtags generated, copy and paste it on your Instagram caption tab. In my case, I already copied it. I'm just going to paste it. You can copy by long pressing on chat. Now time for location. Select your post location. Location is very useful. Also, you can schedule your post for a particular time. Evening after 5:30. Posting is the best time. This method help you to get more reaches and to users and growing your Instagram account fast. Once you have posted, try to share with your friends and stories to get instant boost on your post. Here the pro tips. Follow and unfollow daily 100 people related to your niche. There are more chances of getting follow backs. These tips you won't get from any other YouTubers. Daily upload at least 1 to 3 posts until you reach 10k followers. Thank you for watching. For more related videos, subscribe to our channel. One more thing, while following and unfollowing, you need to make sure that account is related to your niche or else you won't get follow backs.